Now you're looking at this main activity XML file, and in here you can see a button with some things here and give background tint as null maybe. Anyway, in this video you may see me changing between activities with two buttons on in the first activity. I'll put the themes at the last here. Anyway, from main activity to second activity, and from second activity to main activity. This is the XML file of the main activity. You can see inside this constraint there's this button. You can drag and drop it here. If I go to design, you can see that I can drag and drop this button, and so this is the XML code. You saw the main activity XML, and you are now looking at the main activity Kotlin file. In here you can see some default things on create and etc. You can see I took a button, and there is this btn id which is here set here, and so this button is taken and a quick listener is added, and inside that quick listener you can see intent, and it has this which indicates the main activity, and it has the second act which is the second activity, and here you can see the start activity and has this intent inside it, inside the parameter. Currently you are looking at the second activity XML, and you can see it is very similar to the main activity XML. You can see the button ID is different, you can see the text is different, and the rest is pretty much similar, right? So you are looking at the second activity coding file, Kotlin file, and in here you can see this on create. You can see some matter here, and you can see this similar matter. You can see the here you can see button taken, you can also see button taken here, and it has this set quick listener, but inside it I did not use intent. I used finish function, a built-in function. This function helps to close this second activity and return to the first activity, which is this main activity. This one helps to return to the main activity. So when the first act button is clicked, it's supposed to return to the main activity, and when the second act button is clicked, it is supposed to return to the second activity. I did something that is maybe extra, which is in the themes where you can get this from here, this one. In here you can change this last part, whatever it was, from there to no action bar, which is supposed to remove the action bar on top of the mobile screen. If you don't want that action bar, you can remove it like this. I removed it. It is fine to not remove it